Hi guys, it's day 5 of my PHP web project. In this video, I'm gonna explain you how to create a Git repository for my PHP web project. So, first, what is this Git? Git is open source version control system and it is the most famous one. Version control? Imagine like this. What happens if your code is automatically deleted or your new feature crashes everything? Without Git, you will not be able to get back there. But you are using Git, Git cracks and backs up all your work. And one another thing. When you are working with the team, you can collaborate them with Git branches. And you can use Git with GitHub, GitLab and Bitbucket to manage your repositories. Let's see how to create a GitHub repository for my PHP project. Next, we are going to make a Git repository for our ImageScale PHP project. First, you have to open CMD in here. First of all, you should install Git to your computer. You can check it using this command. If you want to know how to download and install Git, you can see it in this video. Next, you should configure with Git using these commands. Next step, you want a GitHub account. You can create it easily with your Gmail account. I have already one. Then I'm going to sign in with my account. Next, you should create a repository for your new project. Give name in here. I gave ImageScale PHP and you can create it easily. And you can use those commands to make your first commit and push your file to your GitHub repository. Use this command to initialize your project with Git. Next, I want to make a git ignore file. I'm using this command to make it. You can see the git ignore file has been created. Next, I want to create readme.md file. I use this command to create it. You can see it in here. So I have a lot of file to add to my repository because we have already created some things in our project. Then I use this git add command to add my files to Git. You can check it with git status command. In green color, all of these files add to my Git. And I'm going to do my first commit. Then I write this commit message using this commit command. I'm going to use main branch and use this command to link your local repo with GitHub repo. At last, you can push all the files to your origin repo, GitHub repo with this command. Yes, already done. You can reload your project and you can see all of your things, files have been added to your GitHub repo. Subscribe my YouTube channel, follow my TikTok, Instagram and Facebook page and don't forget to like, share and comment your ideas. Let's see you guys in my next videos. Bye.